The objects that I see inside my mind are only a delusion, my imagination. When I see the sun rise, I can only wonder why it produces heat. As people swallow their food, I can only see the calories that they are burning within their bodies. The children that I see are talking to computers, and the teenagers are communicating with televisions. When I see the word glob, I imagine that it's being stabbed by a pin. Nature itself is only a sound when I glance at it, but nature can only be in one spot. The things that I'm thinking aren't the things I want to be thinking. I'm thinking of a boy on a swing set swinging. I'm thinking of a ball rolling in the street all by its own. I'm thinking of the muscles that are being used as you do a chin-up in a workout routine. I'm thinking of where ice goes after it melts. I'm thinking of the magical lighting that a candle produces as it's lit. All my thoughts aren't worth listening to. My name is Brad, and I suffer from a mind delusive disorder known as Kindle syndrome, which is uncurable.